Lucio here from Energy Solutions Centre. Today we are in Guanaba on the beautiful Gold Coast. Awesome acreage property here. Our customer came to us, was looking for bill relief of about $1,700 a quarter. They also were very prone to outages and number of storms, they keep getting hit. So our task was to really relieve them from their energy costs and also provide energy independence and resilience from any outages. Today we've installed the Sigenergy SigenStor stack. It is a 30 kilowatt inverter, 3-phase, with 6 8 kilowatt hour batteries, giving that a total capacity of 48 kilowatt hours. We've installed AIKO 475s on the roof with a total capacity of about 43 kilowatts. So this house is going to crank tons of power for the backup using a full home backup Sigenergy gateway, tons of power for their consumption, lots of power going into the storage, amber compatible, so lots of opportunity to do energy trading, a phenomenal installation. So if you're looking for a solution to definitely improve on your energy costs and give you resilience from the grid, then talk to us, we'd love to help.